Hello all. In this video, let us take a look into a new feature of branding in SQL Server reporting services of SQL Server 2016. By using this new feature branding, we will be able to customize the SQL Server reporting manager appearance as shown in the below screenshot. Each and every color of the elements in the reporting manager can be changed to align with the corporate schemes basically, and we will be able to add a logo as well into the report manager UI. So this is basically getting done by using three files, and which needs to be zipped and uploaded into the SSRS reporting. And let us take a look on what are these three files. The first one is metadata XML, and this file name should be one and the same. This file name should not change. The zip file should have a metadata XML, and basically this holds the branding name and the color file name and the logo file name, kind of a high level master setup. And the second file is colors.json, which will hold the hex code for each and every element. For example, if you want to apply for the KPI, if you want to apply a different set of colors, we need to put the appropriate hex code into this file. This file name can be anything, but if you change the file name here, the metadata XML also should have that same JSON file name, so that it will recognize on which file it needs to look for this color codes. And third one is logo file. This specifies which image needs to be displayed on your SRS report manager. So this is an optional file. If we do not want this, we can leave it as blank. So let us take a quick look into a demo on how to customize the reporting manager as shown in the screenshot below. This is our SQL Server reporting services report manager. It's a kind of a redone or a new UI for us now, and by default installation this looks in this way. And let us see how we can customize it using branding. Let us take a look into the three files what we discussed earlier. The first file we talked about was this metadata XML. Let us open this in the notepad. So here, this is a standard way this XML should be structured, and if you notice, this is our branding name, what we will specify as a name of the brand, and this colors.json is the file name in which the color settings will be done, and logo.png is the file which will be used as a logo. And the second file is colors.json. Here, if you notice this, the brand name, whatever we were using there, it should be the same here, and as well as it has, if you notice, it has the color codes, hex code for each and every elements basically. So for example, if you see here, KPI good means in general it displays as green. It has this is the hex code for green, and for bad it displays red, and this is the hex code for the red. So similar way we can apply the hex code for all the elements within the reporting manager. And the third file we are having here is the logo file, which we have specified there in the metadata XML. And right now here we have the Xbox logo over here, which will be shown on the report manager. All these three files needs to be created into a zip file, and this zip file can be of any name, but it is always good to create the zip file also as the same as the brand name. So once this zip file is created, we need to go to this settings, site settings, and click on this branding link. Now right now you could see there is none displayed here in the currently installed brand package. So right now it is having a default values or default setting itself. Now let us try to upload that brand package. Let us go to the folder and choose the brand file. Once this brand file is uploaded, you could see that brand name whatever we have entered, the Xbox will be displayed here, and you could notice all the colors got changed based on the values whatever was applied on the colors.json, and you could see that there is a logo got displaying on the left top corner. Let us go to the first page, and we could see that this every colors got changed, and for our demo purpose right now I have kept it as a blue, which is a KPI is bad, so ideally it should have displayed as red. Right now it is displaying in blue. Let us try to change this color to red, and let us see how to modify that file accordingly. To modify the existing branding, if you are already having those files in your local path, or if you are having it in somewhere in your source control, you can pick it up from there and then do the changes and apply. Or if you want to get the already uploaded files in the SSRS reporting manager, you need to click the download, and you could see that it has downloaded the same zip file what we have uploaded earlier. Let us take that file and try to modify that file for our need, and then re-upload it back. So in demo, let me paste it here and extract all this over here, and let me open this color.json in the notepad. So as I mentioned earlier, it is being displayed in blue. Basically this is the hex code for blue. Now let us try to change it to red. So this is the hex code for red. Let us paste this here, save this, and then go back, do the zip file again with all the rest files. So let me name this as with changes. So as I mentioned earlier, this zip file name does not have any impact on the branding whatever you are doing. So let us try to re-upload this brand files. Now let us go back and check what is being displayed here. So now if you notice, the color of this KPI has been changed to red. So in this fashion we will be able to modify the colors for each and every element, like this background color, this button 4 color, back color, everything we can customize using that branding files. Suppose if you want to get back to your old default setting, you can just say remove the branding. So it will ask, do you want to remove? Once you say yes, this would revert back to our normal default, and if you notice, it says none in the currently installed brand package. And that is how we will implement the branding using this branding files in SSRS Reporting Manager. So as you have already seen, editing the colors in the colors file is not a easy one, because the reason is you need to open it in a notepad, and then you need to have the hex code, and then you need to paste it there, and then it's all a lot of laborious process there. I got an idea of creating a brand file editor tool. I have developed it based on an Excel macro, and this tool can be used to create a new brand file, or it can be used to create the edit the existing brand files as well. So this tool is available in this below code plus link, and I have uploaded a separate video on how to use this tool also in this channel. So please go ahead and try this tool, and please post your comments or your feedback, or if you find any issues, kindly post it on the Codeplex site, so that it will be very helpful for enhancing the tool and making it pretty stable for our community to use. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll meet you all soon in my next video. Thank you.